is on the line. Wacha ni mbrief kwanza. Ndugu kiongozi uko hapo?
Niko hapa kiongozi.
Sasa hapa Wiper House kuna vijana viongozi from 241 public institutions, including 71 universities and TVETs. They are all from all over the country. They are here at Wiper House, and they demanded they want to be greeted. When I mentioned, I wish Rigiji was saying, apige simu. Kwa hivyo, I'm putting you on the loudspeaker, ndugu kiongozi, salimia vijana wote ni one town. Haya, ngoja ndugu Rigiji wasalimie.
Comrades power. Muko salama vijana wetu. Muko mnasemaje? Mnasemaje? Wetu hii ndio tegemeo la Kenya. This country is in your hands. Yes. We are depending on you to liberate our country. Yes. Get rid of Kasongo. Yes. And bring a good government that can take care of our people. Yes. I am embarrassed that William Ruto has destroyed our university education financing model. Yes. And it's one of the reasons I differed with him. Yes. Because I told him when you destroy our education, you have to protect our future. Yes. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka niombe nyinyi msamaha. Yes. Kwa sababu mimi ndio nilete huyu Ruto nikampatia kiti.
Thank you.